everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer, and today's video I have a special one for you. This is my refrigerator. I cannot believe it is this bad. I can honestly say I don't recall it ever being this bad. I have been so busy with work and getting Sky ready for summer with basketball. I just think it just got the best of me, and here we are. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking everything out, see what I have on the counter. If anything's expired, needs to get thrown out, maybe there's a few things that I can put. We do have a deep freezer in our basement, so maybe I can put some stuff down there so it can be a little bit more organized, especially in the freezer. Oh, so let's get started.
One more night, I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer.
Okay, so I just started with the refrigerator side, got everything out. I am going to take out all the drawers. I'm going to wipe down everything. This is a deep clean of the refrigerator. It is much needed. There's jelly everywhere, as you can see. This is so embarrassing, but it's real life. This is what happens sometimes, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started just taking everything out and probably get that washed first so that I can let it dry, and Axel's gonna watch. I'm going to try to make things a little bit easier, and if I have multiple cheeses or salad dressings, anything that I have multiples of that's not expired, I'm going to go ahead and just combine them so there's less stuff in the refrigerator. It still amazes me how much food was actually in that refrigerator. Most of it wasn't expired, but there was a lot of stuff that I had multiples of, so me combining everything really helped out.
In the stillness somewhere above, city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you are lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo.
Alright, now I'm going to start just putting everything back. I know what helps me sometimes is I'll actually just take one piece of paper towel and I'll lay it on the bottom of these, especially if there's any like little spills. It definitely makes a quick cleanup a lot easier later on. Maybe, you know, next week if something spills, I can just go ahead and take out everything. I can go ahead and take that paper towel out and just do a quick wipe down. It makes things much easier.
There is someone calling your name. Love is forever, love is forever.
Okay, so I have everything back in the refrigerator. Tried to organize everything a little bit better. Sometimes I get those bottom drawers confused and I'll actually put lettuce in the wrong bin and it gets like frozen or something. My husband tried to explain to me, but I'm still learning. So let's go ahead and get everything taken out of the freezer and see what we're working with there.
When you wake up, you know what you need to do.
Just close your eyes.
Someone's been waiting for you.
Just close your eyes.
Someone's been waiting for you.
Just close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Just close your eyes.
Okay, I'm all done. Refrigerator is all clean. I'm happy with the way that it turned out. I really hope that this video motivated you to clean your refrigerator, even if it's just a quick clean. It definitely makes a big difference. Mine, on the other hand, needed a deep cleaning, so I went ahead and got that taken care of. How often do you like to clean your refrigerator? I'm just curious if maybe I waited too long and I need to do it every couple weeks. Let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.
You run away to get us up when we're low.